To start with, we're going to take out the battery, and with that out, we can spin the saw around, and we have an Allen key housed in at the side of the saw here. Now we have an Allen screw in the middle of the saw blade here, so we will insert the Allen key, and before we start turning, we need to also hold down this tab, this little button at the top of the saw. If we hold that button down, that will lock the blade in place, and we can turn this Allen key at the same time. You will notice there is a little sign here telling you which way to turn it to tighten. It is righty-loosey this time. It's different to typical screws. I'm still holding that button, and I'm going to pull the screw all the way out. With that out, there's a few parts here. We'll take out this washer, we'll pull back the saw guard, and then our blade can come out. Now if you've got the exact same blade with the exact same size hole in the middle here, you can easily slide that in back into place. Now, some blades though have a different size, a different hole in the middle, and we do have another little washer O-ring here which we can take out and turn over, and that will suit a saw blade with a smaller hole in the middle. For this video, I'm just going to put the same blade back in, but when you have a new blade, you'll have one side like this side which you can see used to have writing on it. The other side will be a blank side with nothing on it. The side with writing is going to be the side facing out that you'll see when you slide the blade in. So I'm going to pull the guard back up. We'll slide this blade back in. It will sit perfectly around that ring. If it doesn't sit perfectly around the ring, you've got that ring the wrong way. We'll set our washer back on top, and the washer will also lock in with the blade when it's in the right place. And then we can put our screw back in. I'm just going to start screwing that all the way in. And when it gets to this point where I'm turning the blade with it, we'll press down on this button at the top once again. We'll hold that down, and we will pull this as tight as we can. With that done, I am going to wiggle the blade, make sure that is secure. We'll turn the saw over, put the Allen key back away, and with the battery in, our saw is good to go.